Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shurajit and I am currently working as Manager Technical Services. Today we will be learning SQL interview questions based on case studies. These interview questions are for those students who has intermediary knowledge of SQL. This would be a series of videos, so please stay with me. We will learn more. So in our previous videos we have explained two questions and I have given one homework to you all. So in this video, what I will do, I will explain the result or I will explain the answer of that question. Okay. Before starting this session, I want to tell you all that the skill that you will gain after the session of these videos is data cleaning and transformations, aggregations, joins, common table expression, variable, window functions, which includes ranking and analytics, case-when statement, subqueries, union and intersect, datetime function, data type conversion, text function, text and string manipulation. Uh, I would also like to convey one thing. So the question that I am going to solve in this video is a little bit tough. So what I will do, I will be providing two answer or two query for the same question. Okay. Out of that, one will be explained by me and other you can try by yourself, and if you do not understand the query then you can ask me any question in the comment section. Okay, so two solution will be provided for each question and each query will be, I mean to say, one query will be explained and one query you should try by yourself. Okay, so this is the diagram, entity relationship diagram. uh, you people already know about entity relationship thing, so I am not going to explain it here. So here three tables are given. One is sales, another is members, and third one is menu. In sales table, there are three variables. One is customer ID with the data type worker one. Second is order date with the data type date. And third is product ID with the data type integer. In the member table, there are two variables. One is customer ID with worker one and join date with the data type timestamp. And in the menu table, the product ID and the data type is integer, product name, data type is worker 5, and price, data type is, sorry, integer. Okay, and also the relationship is established between the table, between the sales and member tables. They are connected via customer ID, and between the sales and the menu table, they are connected by the product ID. Okay, now the question is, what was the first item from the menu purchased by each customer? Okay, so I am pausing this video for 10 seconds. You should think that what should be the answer for this question. Okay, okay. So now let me find out the solution for this question. Okay, so here the thing that I'm using is common table expression. Okay, so let me explain the whole query, and I will I have also used a row number, which is a window function. Here you can see the common table expression that is created by me. Inside it, I have used row number, which is a window function. So I am particularly going to explain this window function separately. Okay, but before that, let me explain the query here. So this SQL query, I have created one common table expression, uh, a temporary result, uh, which is called as cast orders CTE, cast underscore orders underscore CTE, The CTE selects customer ID, order date, product name, and the rank of each row within a partition of customer ID ordered by order date. Okay, from the sales and the menu tables. Okay, so as I told you earlier, I am going to explain this row number and this partition by function so that you can visualize like exactly what is going on here. Okay, um, so this is the thing that I did here. Now the next thing is uh, uh, the main query then selects the customer ID and product name of the first order made by each customer based on their order date. Okay. Now I'm going to break down the query in this way. So the thing is with cast order CTE as, okay, so here what I am doing, this declares a CTE, that is common table expression called cast order CTE, that selects customer ID, order date, product name, and the rank of each row within a partition of customer ID ordered by order date from sales and menu tables. Okay, and then what I did select customer ID and product name from cust order city where rank equal to 1. What this will do, this will select the customer ID and product name of the first order made by each customer based on their order date. It filters the result to only include rows where the rank is 1, which means it selects the first order made by each customer. Okay, so this is the whole explanation for the query that I have written here. Next thing that I am going to do, I am going to explain you this window function, that is the row number that I have used. So what is the query that I have written? The row number over partition by customer ID, order by order date. Okay, as rank. Okay, so it is a window function that assigns a sequential integer to each row within a partition by customer ID, order by order date. Okay, and what each item of this query will do, so let me explain. So what is row number? Row number is a window function that assigns a sequential integer to each row within the partition. Over, so this is a clause that specifies the window function framing, okay, which determines how to group the rows. Okay, next is partition by customer ID. This specifies that the rows should be partitioned or grouped by customer ID. This means that the window function will restart numbering from 1 for each unique customer ID. Okay. Next is order by order date. So what this will do? This specifies the order of the rows within each partition. In this case, the rows are ordered by order date, which means that the first order made by each customer will have a rank of 1, the second order will have a rank 2, and so on. Okay. So for this example, if there are three rows with customer ID 1, order date January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, then the row number function will assign rank 1 to the row with January 1, January 1st order date, a rank of 2 to the row number with January 2nd order date, and a rank 3 to the row within the January 3rd order date. Okay, so this is the whole explanation for the window function that I have used here. And also I told you earlier that I will be providing two answers for this question, because um, answer can be written in a number of ways. So I am providing you two answers. So this is the second query that you can use. Okay, you can just pause and write down the query, and if you have any question, then you can definitely ask me in the comment section. Okay. Okay, so this is the second query that I have given you. Now move to next question. Next question is, what is the most purchased item on the menu and how many times was it purchased by all customers? Okay, so I am pausing the video here for 10 seconds. You can figure it out like what would be the query, or you can pause the video and take as much amount of time that you want to take and write down the query by yourself. I am going to provide the answer in 10 seconds, and then I will explain the query line by line. Okay. I am also promising that I am going to provide two answers for this question. Okay, one answer will be explained by me, and the second answer you can do it by yourself. Okay, so this is the query for the answer. So what I have done here, uh, this query selects the top one product name from the sales and menu tables based on the count of times the product has been purchased, with ties being broken by product name alphabetically. Okay, here the breakdown like what I did here. So select top one product name, count s dot product id as purchase. So what it is going to do, this selects the top one product name based on the count of the times the product has been purchased using the count function, and renames the calculated column as purchased. Okay, now from sales table, sales and menu m. So what is the meaning of this? This specifies the sales and menu table to be used in the query, and it uses a comma separated list to join the tables implicitly. Okay, where m dot product id equal to s dot product id. So this specifies that the join condition for the sales and menu tables, joining the tables on the product id column. Okay. Next, I have used group by product name. So what this will do, this groups the result by product name, which means that the count of purchases will be calculated for each product separately. Okay. And then lastly, what I did, I order by purchased descending. Okay. So this orders the result by the purchased column in the descending order, that is highest count of purchase first, and then by the product name column in ascending order, that will be done alphabetically. The descending keyword is used to sort the purchased column in descending order. Okay, so this is the whole explanation for the query that I have written here. Okay, also I am providing second solution for this question. So this is the second query. Okay, you can also use it, and if you have any question regarding this query, you can write it down in the comment section. I will explain it if you have any question. Okay. Okay. So these two question is discussed. In my next video, I will discuss two more question. Okay. With higher difficulty level, and I will try to explain the query line by line and try to provide two solution for each question. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel. Also, you can like the video. Okay, and if you have any feedback, any honest feedback, then you can provide me it at the comment section. Thank you.